eddy current separator installed in a glass plant. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited has designed and manufactured heavy-duty eddy current separator. Our eddy current separator is the best and fastest magnetic separator designed to remove non-ferrous metals. We have recently installed our eddy current separator at one of India's reputed glass industries. Recycling industries can take huge advantage of our most advanced metal sorting machine called eddy current separator. Our machine is installed in an existing glass plant in which the glass waste fall down to the vibratory feeder. We have used high-grade rare earth magnet to manufacture eddy current separator. It is capable enough to remove non-ferrous metals like aluminium, brass, zinc, etc. which comes with the glass. Capacity from 2 metric ton per hour to 15 metric ton per hour is available for glass. Our machine is the most suitable magnetic separator for any kind of recycling industries like plastic, rubber, glass, municipal solid waste, e-waste, PET, etc. To know more about our eddy current separator, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for never miss any update.